So I have a question on deployment of agentic AI. It requires an operational cost. So what are the operational, like primary costs while running the agentic system at scale?
Yeah. So yeah, this is more on the business perspective, and it is a valid question because first thing, whenever the new things or new approach comes, the management will always think about the cost. So the decision when they make the primary cost uh, derives are basically comes from the what we seen in the challenges. So compute the latency and cost. So the think act observe loop requires multiple sequential call to powerful LLM. So a complex task might involve dozens of this loop and making the cost per task significantly higher than a single chatbot query. So if you give us just a single query, then of course the price it attaches to the number of tokens would be lesser. Instead of if you want to repeat the same task for the 10-15 times, then your cost also will be 10-15 times more. So that is one part. The other thing would be the tool API cost. So every external tool the agent is using, it has its own associated cost. So if it is using the external tools or API, then for that particular tool also there is a separate cost involved in that. So that also would be the major cost I would say while deploying the AI agent. They should keep in mind.